Hi guys, another quick and easy comparison, unboxing kind of review of the SJCam M20. And the M20 is the successor of the M10 Plus that I had, the dice cam from SJ that I really liked. Let's have a closer look to those two siblings. Both of them have a display. Of course, this one here is only 1.5 inches and this is 2 inches. Well, it is a bit thinner. In this mode now it's not as tall. And the weight difference is about 15 grams. So this is 15 grams heavier. This is 54 grams. So that's really lightweight with the battery and with the card. The internals of these are quite similar. I will post you the differences down here. I think this has 16 megapixels and this only 12, but I will show this now here in a texty text. Okay. I'm not sure about the quality of the little one. We will see in comparison shots now. For this, just check out the differences or the similarities. It has the same connectors, a bit other layout here with the storage card. The buttons are about the same. The M20 has no Wi-Fi dedicated button, but the upper button shows also Wi-Fi, so if you short press it you will enable Wi-Fi. This is the up-down menu, quick access thingy. Let's turn on both. Okay, so here we will see a lot of comparison shots. At first they look quite the same. I mean, the M20 has a bit less a wide-angle lens than the SJ5000X. I tried to have the same color and sharpness settings, and as many of the settings are on the same on both cams. When cropped into 100% on these shots on the Churchill, you see quite a difference in sharpness. Here the M20 is a bit lesser sharp than the SJ5000X, but the light handling of the M20 is a bit better. M20 off as 5000X on 170, so maximum field of view. Off, wide, middle, narrow. 5000X off. Is it any different than 170? 170, 140, and 110. And 70 degree. Gyro comparison. The TV out mode now is titled FPV, and you can choose between seeing it on the LCD screen or on both. And the screen of course will go off after like 30 seconds, however you have set it in the energy options. The live out latency of the M20 looks okay to me. TV out latency of the SJ5000xElite looks actually really low latency. Yeah, you see the differences in size. One of the things I didn't like too much is this LED here wants to blind you. It's really bright. Get all the useful data on the display. And like on the Firefly, pressing the down button you have quick access to all the important settings. And the settings are really almost the same as on the SJ5000X Plus or Elite, so I don't want to go into all of the settings in all the detail. Just a quick browse through the options here. Another cam with a fake 4K mode, 2K 30, 1080p 60, which is our main mode. Field of view. The 5000 has it in degrees. This one is in wide, middle and narrow, or off. And I think off and wide are about the same. Light dynamic range, gyro. Gyro here is actually quite good. Can have a timestamp, bitrate set to high, sharpness, exposure value and distortion correction. So it has the same CPU than the SJ5000xElite, so it should have the same options, should be capable of doing the same options. If you press the power button short, you go into the photo mode, and another press you get into the menu. You have the video mode, playback, video labs, slow motion recording, photo labs, burst mode. Underwater makes just a red filter to make the image nicer. FPV just is the TV out. Motion detection, yeah, I'm not sure if it works all that good. Car mode is the dash cam mode, where it will turn on and record if it gets USB power. Remote control, this is an additional accessory. And I also got this nice selfie stick. The waterproof housing is standard delivery. The remote also comes with the housing for your wrist, so you can wear it like. And this is the fancy box it comes in. If you miss the unboxing, just imagine an unboxing now. It all has all those standard like mounting. So you get all the different GoPro-like accessories, but this time it's a bit different of a story. The mounts are thinner than the GoPro ones. So this fits into GoPro slides, but not the other way around, because their sliding counterparts are also with a smaller profile. And they have this lever mode that, yeah, it doesn't work too well for me. But it's kind of a tight fit, and if you want to unplug it or undo it, it's really hard to do. You pull it up and move it, and it's a tight sit. So if you like this is another option. So handlebar mount, and also force. You don't get a charger with it, but you get an USB cable. So that's it for the interesting parts of an unboxing. With the latest firmware, it says to use less battery, so it lasts longer. And I did a comparison between those two cams. did the same recording, let it sit there and record until the battery was dead. And this one was actually 14% lasting longer. So that's a good thing. It has the same modes. It has a bit lesser wide angle here than the SJ5000xElite. So it's nice. Yeah, and about the, if you're curious about the selfie stick, this one has a nice unlock mechanism where you only turn it and then it extends to about 1 meter. And you can mount this little remote almost everywhere. It's small. I think it uses low power Bluetooth. You can turn it off but can't turn it on again with
Hello, IT? Have you tried turning it off and on again?
this thingy here. And also you cannot access the menu with it. You can just film, photo, go into Wi-Fi, take a burst shot and turn it off. So that's the Wi-Fi remote. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.